Here are 5 things you want to consider before starting your own carpet cleaning business. Chapter 1. This video channel helps empower entrepreneurs to make that first step to follow their dreams of being an owner-operator in the carpet cleaning industry. Chapter 1. What's the best way to create a brand name and logo that align with your brand vision and mission? Creating a brand name and logo that align with your carpet cleaning business brand, vision and mission is a crucial step in building a successful and memorable brand. A brand name and logo are the first elements that your customers and prospects will encounter, and they will shape their perception and expectations of your brand. Here are some tips and best practices on how to create a brand name and logo that reflect your brand identity, values, and personality. Design your logo. Once you have chosen your brand name, like I have done here for demonstration purposes, the van and design to give you an idea of what a van should have information-wise at the very minimum. You can then design your own logo that complements and enhances your business name. Your logo is the visual representation of your carpet cleaning brand, and it should convey your brand identity, values, and personality. You can choose from different types of logos and catchy short slogans. For example, "We care deep down," and you can use word marks, letter marks, symbols, or combinations depending on your preferences and your industry. You can also use colors, fonts, shapes, and icons to create a logo that is unique, attractive, and consistent with your brand name. Define your brand vision and mission. Before you start brainstorming carpet cleaning names and logos, you need to have a clear idea of what your brand stands for, what your goals are, and how you want to communicate with your customers. Your brand vision is your long-term aspiration. Your brand mission is your purpose and value for proposition. And your brand voice is your tone and style of expression. These elements will guide you, create your process, and help you elevate your options. Don't forget that business shirts, business cards, and tax invoice books are a must for your business brand identity, and they all should need to reflect identically. Now you can launch your brand name and logo. Chapter 2. Leasing vehicle and equipment or buying outright. Leasing or buying vehicles. A motor vehicle is a major expense for your business. It's important to consider whether leasing a business vehicle or buying one is the better option. Your business may need vehicles, plant machinery, or other equipment. You can often choose whether you lease these or buy them outright. Leasing means you rent the vehicles or equipment from a leasing company that owns them. Buying means you pay and own your vehicles or equipment outright. You can apply for a loan if you don't have enough cash to pay for expensive items up front. Tips for leasing or buying a vehicle. Research the finance companies you deal with to make sure they're reputable. Shop around to make sure you're getting the best deal. This includes looking for a loan, rate, or lease conditions. Work out how much you can afford in the lease or loan repayments each month. If you're still not sure whether it's better to buy or lease, ask your registered tax professional or financial advisor. Today's empowerment inspirational quote. The way to get started is to quit talking and start doing. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. What does it mean to be a certified carpet cleaner? Many carpet cleaning companies do not send their technicians to any formal classes to gain this knowledge. They simply teach the technicians on the job from what they have already learned. Without formal education and testing, these carpet cleaning technicians can miss out on a lot of important knowledge about the science of cleaning. Formal education from a certified instructor can lay down the foundation upon which a technician will continue to learn and put their knowledge into practice. Without this education, a technician will lack the knowledge of how the pH of carpet and upholstery cleaning solutions affects different stains and materials. They may also not know about soil suspension, spotting techniques, pet urine neutralization, fiber identification, the use of protective equipment and carpet construction, so much more. Please consider that domestic and commercial carpet cleaning is an art of science. While there are no mandatory training requirements in Australia, getting a certification could help you provide better services to your customers and set yourself apart from the competition. Training and certification for professional carpet cleaners teaches practical skills such as identifying fibers, removing stains, safe handling of cleaning chemicals, and how to operate cleaning equipment. Courses can be taken online and may be completed in a matter of days, depending on how coursework is presented and the number of hours per day you can devote to it. Please note that it is not essential for you to obtain this certification. However, if you decide to have multiple staff for a larger business or decide that your carpet cleaning business will perform services such as water damage restoration, then it's highly recommended that every operator should attend the correct courses for this scope of works. Again, services to your customers and set yourself apart from the competition. Chapter 4. Choosing a company van or truck. Chapter 4. Compact vans offer maneuverability in tight parking spaces and better fuel efficiency than heavy, larger vans. This makes them ideal for operating in very busy cities with limited parking spaces and congestion, making them an attractive option for maneuvering through busy urban areas. But these benefits do come at a cost. Limited interior and loading space will pose challenges when trying to fit in all of your equipment, tools, and cleaning chemicals. Often it becomes difficult to fit in racking and reels as you try to maximize every last inch of space. Medium-sized vans, however, offer a nice balance between compact and large vans. They may provide more loading space, allowing for easier access to the back of the van, and it's easier to store equipment without having to leave any kit off your van. And although they won't fit into the tightest of parking spaces, they are far easier to maneuver than a long wheelbase van. The fuel efficiency of a modern mid-sized vans is also good. Large or long wheelbase commercial vans. Large vans offer excellent storage options and the ability to add new equipment if you expand your services. Vans of this size are ideal for businesses requiring extra space for multiple pieces of carpet and upholstery cleaning equipment. However, their size may pose challenges in busy, congested areas and streets with tight parking spaces. It is not just the parking of your own van that can prove tricky. You must also consider the space required to open the rear doors to gain access to hoses and reels. Payload capacity and weight. It is vital you confirm that your van has sufficient payload capacity to accommodate a professional carpet cleaning machine. Extra equipment and supplies, along with water weight if you will be carrying a water supply, without exceeding its legal weight limits. Exceeding its payload can lead to legal penalties, safety risks, and significantly increased wear and tear on the parts. Future growth and expansion. When searching for your next van, consider if you would like to expand in the near future beyond your current staffing levels and services. Will growth require an extra member of staff travelling in the van and increased equipment to be stored in the back? If it fits within your budget, then purchasing a van that can accommodate expansion will save you money in the long term. Please note that if you are intending to run a truck-mounted unit in your van, then you need to seek advice from your supplier as to what type of vehicle is recommended, size of vehicle, type, and whether petrol or diesel is an option for you. Most professional truck mount installers will plumb a fuel line directly into your van's main tank, so you only ever have to fill tank from one area. Chapter 5. Large-scale business or stay small. Writing a business plan is a must if you're thinking of starting a large-scale carpet cleaning business. Going into business with just an idea may not be the wisest move. Having a detailed plan with specific goals you are working towards could set you up for success. A business plan helps guide important business decisions, including the customers you're going after and how much you will charge for your services. A business plan may be required to receive a bank loan or other funding for your carpet cleaning business. An accountant could help you build the financial parts of your business plan for a larger size corporate network. If you're going to dream big, then consider strongly merging into these services for larger carpet cleaning businesses. Water damage restoration, domestic and commercial carpet cleaning is an art and a science. While there are no mandatory training requirements in Australia, getting a certification could help you provide better services to your customers and set yourself apart from your competition. Lastly, you're going to want to get carpet cleaning contracts. Work for insurance companies or large-scale commercial jobs. Some contracts will require you to chase them, so it may mean some cold calling by carpet cleaning owners or business managers to set up meetings to discuss your terms on how you will benefit their organisation for your professional service, advice, punctuality, and then finally, how your services will integrate well into the future success for their business financially. So here at Empower Carpet Cleaning Coaching, we have the strategies and tactics to help you bulletproof any carpet cleaning business. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more valuable videos and content. Also, just mention you have subscribed and we will respond back to you.